Guys, do you hear the series of crunches coming from this delicious, tasty egg sandwich that we made for breakfast? I'm telling you, this is the egg sandwich that always starts our morning with a positive note. So watch and see how we make this egg sandwich.
You heard what she said. Please watch till the end of this video, as this egg sandwich will not disappoint.
Not only this egg sandwich can be eaten as a breakfast meal, but you can also eat it as a snack or for brunch, however you want to eat it or whenever you want to eat it, and it's always delicious.
Also, can we talk about how good I am at flipping these eggs? Just watch me flip this egg like a master. You see, I flipped it so perfect. I executed it like Gordon Ramsay.
Let me just remind you, Wisdom, that I taught you how to flip like a master. Before, you would hesitate so much when it comes to flipping that you'd pass me the spatula. So thank me. And also, when I was eating the sandwich, he was unable to show the proper image of a cheese pull, because the cheese pull was not cheese pulling. It wasn't giving cheese pull. So yeah.
The cheese pull was decent, but it's as long as Emmanuel enjoyed the food.
And I can assure you all that everyone enjoyed our spectacular egg sandwiches with milk. Guys, what is your favorite breakfast meal? This has to be one of my favorites. So,
well, my favorite breakfast is most definitely akara.
Yes. Akara is on top.
Yeah, and
then it's the egg sandwiches.
Yeah, of course it's gonna be the egg sandwiches below akara, because akara, I don't know how you can beat akara as a breakfast.
Akara is indulging, it's delectable, it's so it's the best way you can start your morning, with akara and bread.
Yep.
The way our mom makes it is so delicious. You would literally be addicted by just one akara, and it makes you addicted instantly. Okay guys, so we are gonna leave you guys to continue watching, and we hope that you enjoy your day and this video.
Bye.